Dear distributor, today we have reached out to you to share an important concept in marketing which helps you increase brand visibility, depth in existing retail counters, signing up new mechanics, lead generation, market share. Sounds exciting? Wondering what it is? We are talking to you about trade marketing. We are super excited to be kickstarting this new initiative which will not only help us gain visibility but will also equip our channel partners, that is, you, attain sales objectives. We are proud to have a strong and dedicated team of distributors who are aligned to our mission and are putting in continual efforts. To act as a catalyst to these efforts and to work as a close team, we have taken up this initiative. Now let's quickly look at and understand what trade marketing is and how it will help achieve our goals. Trade marketing is a discipline of marketing that relates to increasing the demand in the value chain, that is, retailer and mechanic level, rather than keeping all the marketing focus on just the end consumer. Trade marketing helps address big challenges at ground level like brand visibility, demand generation, increased shelf space, build trade relationships, and competition benchmarking. We are launching this initiative with a focus on increasing retailer and mechanic base, ultimately leading to increased market share. Here's a list of a few activities to start with. For retailers, market scouting. Here the focus is to identify new markets and convert both lube and non-lube retailers from allied streams. This helps unleash new opportunities, thus deeper market penetration, new retailer visits, focus on new counters to promote our key products. This adds a new customer base and increases throughput as well as upsell opportunities. In-shop activity. These activities are done in and around the retail shop to gain customers' interest. This helps generate trials, market demand, and increases brand visibility. Retailer meets, that is, meeting with retailers to launch products, explain benefits of loyalty program and schemes, and build engagement with them. This results in gaining their support and cultivate a collaborative environment. For mechanics, market scouting. This is done with an intent to create an awareness in the mechanic group about our brand and identify new target set of mechanics. New mechanic visits. Here the focus is to enroll new mechanics to promote our key products. This helps increase influencer base. On-site mechanic meeting or OSMM. These meetings focus to increase active participation of mechanics. Mechanic meets. Mechanic meets are conducted to explain benefits of loyalty program and build engagement with the mechanics. This activity increases the loyalty from the mechanic group, leading to more sales of our products. Wondering if your DSR will get busy doing only these activities? Well, the answer is no. While yours and the DSR's support is utmost critical, execution and tracking of these initiatives will be taken care by a completely different set of executives called the TMR, that is, Trade Marketing Representatives, who will be supervised by a Trade Marketing Manager. This will in turn free up your DSR's capacity so they can focus more on the other key tasks. ExxonMobil has onboarded an experienced team of professionals to conduct end-to-end trade marketing activities who will maximize the trade effectiveness. The program will help scale up the number of activities and reach in your AOBE. So, all geared up? To sum it all, here's what is in store for you. Trade marketing program will act as a catalyst to amplify trade effectiveness, thus helping you achieve your business objectives by generating new retailer leads, inclusion of new mechanic base who will in turn add more end consumers, deeper market penetration and thus increased sales, higher throughput and cross-selling opportunities, and finally increased support from existing retailers, leading to additional shelf space and brand visibility. To reap maximum benefits from this initiative, we urge for complete support and an active involvement from you, our prime partners.